Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be making some monkey fart soap using my rainbow colors: purple, blue, green, yellow, orange and pink. So the fragrance for this is going to be monkey farts. I'm going to make each layer separately. So the first one is going to be purple and then blue and then so on. The recipe that I'm using is exactly the same recipe that I normally use all the time, except I'm going to be splitting it up in lots. So normally I would have all my oils and I would tip the lye in and then split it up into different colors. But I feel that if I did that, they would simply just merge in on top of each other and become one big colorful swirl. And while that might look really nice, that's for another day. Today we're going to be doing layers, but I'm going to be putting a little bit of a texture on the top of each one of them. So the next one's not just going to be flat. So the normal recipe that I use is olive oil, rice bran oil, coconut oil, castor oil and cocoa butter. So I'll do the first one on camera and then the rest of them I will sort of just show you the pour because it will be the same process. Okay, so I've got to add 571 grams of oil to this. Okay, so we need 222 grams. So I've just added my mica into the container, and that way I can stick blend the oils in right now and then pour the lye in over the top. That looks really good. I think we're ready for the lye. So this is the mold that I've made in a previous video. It holds around about 5.7 kilograms of soap, and that's what we'll be doing today with all the layers. So this is the first layer. Okay, so that's the first color. I'm just going to wait till that sets up and then I'll do my next one and I'll just pour them in over the top of each other. Okay, so I'm just going to give the top a little bit of a texture, push down. Starting to set up really nice. I'm just going to tap it down with a spoon, just on an angle. So like if that was the soap, it's pushing down on like an angle like that rather than straight down. All right, I'm going to show you a photo of this. Once it's done, then I'm going to do the rest of the layers just like this. Okay, so it's the next morning and I'm going to unmold this. That blue looks like it's a bit merged into the purple, although on this side it looks alright. Alright, so it's time to put this through the splitter and then I'll cut the bars and show you. Okay, so I'm going to cut the rest of the loaves and then I'll be back to show you the photos.